it's Lindy and welcome to a new video! So yeah, the time has come. I am bored with my hair color. So in today's video I'm going to try and get the color out. Not sure how it's gonna go, but I thought it would be fun to bring you guys with me. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing me getting red out of my hair, which is gonna be impossible, I believe, then please keep on watching. I'm so obnoxious, I'm sorry. So I've had this color for 3 months now. I thought I had it longer, but I only have it for 3 months. And I'm already bored of it because that's just the kind of person that I am. So I'm going to try to remove the color with the Color Before hair color remover. I've actually used this color before. So I'm just gonna do that today as well. And I kind of feel like my hair is gonna turn orange because I already have some like orange bits over here. It's like faded red. But yeah, let's just get cracking and put this horrible smelling stuff in my hair. This smells like rotten eggs. I'm not kidding, this is terrible, but it works. So as you can see, I've got my beautiful hair dyeing t-shirt on. So now I'm just going to mix the activator with the remover and make sure you shake really well. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm just gonna put the product on. Kind of nervous actually. I don't know. I do. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I was like, I kind of was like, I might not do it, but I am gonna do it. And you are supposed to wear gloves with this, and I normally always use gloves, but right now I honestly can't be bothered because I find gloves to be so annoying. So I'm just gonna use my bare hands. But if you're gonna do this at home yourself, please wear gloves because I'm not sure if I'm gonna have my hands after this. They might just like disappear. We'll see. Okay, beautiful people. So all this stuff is in my hair right now. I made sure that everything is covered. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I am kind of scared because I feel like I see my hair turning green. Which was not the color I thought it was gonna be. It looks, I don't know if you can see right here, but it's like a very mossy green. Okay, let's just hope that it's gonna rinse out. So I'm just gonna put it up and then take some plastic wrap and wrap it around my head to make sure that the heat stays in there. Okay, so that took me about 15 minutes to do, but it is finally on my head. So now I'm going... Oh my god! I'm useless, I know. So I'm just going to let this sit for 60 minutes and then I'm going to rinse it out for 10 minutes. A long time, but you need to make sure that all the product is out of your hair. And then I'm going to use a number C, the buffer. And this is kind of like a shampoo and I'm just going to put that all over my head and wash my hair with it. And then I'm done. And then hopefully I won't have green hair. But I feel like I'm gonna have green hair, so we'll see. See you in an hour. Okay guys, I need to talk to you. I've got the color remover in my hair for about 30 minutes now. And I don't know what is happening, but my hair is turning so incredibly green. What the... Just look at this. How the f is that? What the? What the f? Is red made out of green? No, they're like opposite colors. So how can red hair turn green? I thought that was like impossible. Isn't it supposed to turn orange? This is so green. This is not, it's not even like a light green, it is a really dark green. I just can't believe this. I have no idea this. What the I don't even know what to say. I hope, oh my god, again. Maybe if I wash my hair, the green is gonna come out as well. But I don't think so. But you know, we'll see what happens. It's so green. It is so incredibly green. What the fuck? Oh my god. What the f happened? I don't know how this happened. I honestly have no... It just looks like my hair got like black, but it is like... It is green over here, and it's like bluish, tealish over here, and then the roots is more green, and here it's like brown. Oh my god. Oh my god. And I know I'm gonna get like so many comments of people saying, Lindy, of course that's gonna happen. If you strip red, you're gonna get those colors. You should have known better. But I'm sorry, I had no idea that this was gonna happen. Like, no at all. I thought my hair was gonna either turn orange or turn pink. But I did not expect it to turn green, blue and brown. It looks like it got darker than what it was before. I was actually planning on going platinum blonde, but I feel like I can just like scrap that whole idea because that's not gonna happen anymore. Oh my god, I don't know what to do with my life anymore. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to blow dry my hair and see what it looks like when it's dry. And then I'm just going to apply a new color remover, even though I should probably not touch any color removers again in my life, but I might get this color out. I mean, I might be able to get it a little bit lighter. I could just start bleaching it now, but bleaching is very bad for your hair, and I feel like the color remover is less damaging to the hair. And you know, it's kind of interesting to see what color it's going to turn next. Maybe it's just gonna turn red again. Oh my god, imagine. Yeah, this is my hair. Also, I blow dried it and that's why it looks super frizzy, but you know, it's not about the frizziness, it's about the color. This part's like the worst of them all. Just look. It's like 6,000 different colors. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a new color remover in there. I know that I probably shouldn't do this, but you know, I've come to the point where my hair is already ruined, so I don't really care anymore. I'm just gonna put it in my hair and hope that it's gonna be at least lighter, because I want it to be light again and now it's almost black. So it's probably not gonna work because, you know, it's me and everything I do ends up being a big failure. But you know, at least it is somewhat entertaining for you. For me, a little bit less. Okay. Hey guys! I am back again after the second color remover treatment of the day. Honestly, it didn't really do much for my hair if I look at it. It didn't. I was kind of hoping, I knew that it wasn't gonna get the green and the blue and the brown and all the colors in between out of my hair. But I kind of hoped that I would like lighten it up a little bit. But of course, that didn't happen. I feel like it's just the exact same weird color that it was before. And also I just put on some green lipstick just to kind of pretend that this is actually like the look that I'm going for. You know, like the cool, mysterious, gothic girl with the weird hair. Yeah, this was definitely all planned, you know, like... Yeah, it didn't work. It honestly, if I just look at myself in a viewfinder... What the f has happened to me? So yeah, this was a big fail. It is the biggest failure I've ever had in my life regarding my hair. And if you know me, you know that I have a lot of hair fails. I'm just going to quickly zoom you guys in on my hair so you can see what it looks like up close. It's terrible, but let's go. So as you can see, it's like... This used to be beautiful red, and now it is all kinds of colors. Oh my god. So yeah guys, this is my hair right now. I don't know what to say other than I am an idiot. I should have probably done a little bit more research, but honestly I have used this product before a few times and all those times it worked perfectly. So I honestly did not realize that it was gonna work this way with red, because it took a lot of other colors out of my hair without any problems. But apparently you're not supposed to use it on red hair. Living example right here. So yeah, I'm just gonna bleach it and I'm gonna try to fix it, but honestly I feel like I won't be able to fix this because it's so patchy. There's so many different colors. And yeah, I could go to a professional, but honestly I don't have the money for that. That's just gonna be way too expensive. So that's not gonna happen. Okay, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. And hopefully I'll have better hair in this video. Okay. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Bye!